Today I'm going to show you guys what a 12-hour flight is like, because a lot of people asked me whether it's like very bad to go on a 12-hour flight, and personally I think it's not that bad. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys what it's like, and let's get started. Alright guys, I just finished packing my things. It took me about 3 hours, and honestly it's not that bad. Alright guys, I'm ready to go. Blinds were shut, wardrobes were emptied, and yeah, we're ready to go. Alright guys, the thing I like about the airport is that the arrival is up there and departure's down here, so I can actually see those people up there, but there's no one up there right now. And whenever I arrive, I can see people down here, so yeah. Alright guys, so up there is business class, and then on top, like on the very top, so that's first class, and I'm on the bottom. Alright, so there's still people boarding the plane, and the plane is kind of small, the economy class. TV, then the controller thingy, then, oh, and they gave us socks instead of slippers. Alright guys, so it's like very dark in here. We can't see anything except the screens. And yeah, we're like halfway through. Alright, we're still on the plane. I think I'm halfway through. So yeah, so there's 5 hours left, and we've been through I think we've been on the plane for about 7 hours now, and yeah. Overall, the flight isn't bad, but it's not good either. It's not as good as I had expected, because they barely give us any leg rooms, and the economy class seats were so small and tiny. So it just makes you feel uncomfortable, and it's also very loud. But also, I recommend that if you travel internationally, that you go on a Boeing A380. Anyway, I think that's it for today. If you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe, turn on notification, and I'll see you guys next time.